Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a looping tool. So a looping tool will make you a nice little loop at the end of your line, like that, with a nice little knot. This is probably stronger than most knots you can do. Very quick, very easy. First I'll show you sort of slow, and then I'll just do one normal speed, so you can see exactly how easy it is to do and quick. Especially if you're someone who likes to make little snoods up or little hook lengths up, like this, then that's how you get that every single time, same length all the time, using your measurement pegs. Very easy to do. I'll show you that as well in another video. So first of all, let's get your line. I'm using the yellow line here today, so I'll use the green tool. So first of all, make a loop in your line. Pull that tight. Get your looping tool. We're going to come from behind, come up, we're going to pull away. We're going to turn the tool 2 times. Once, twice. Now, the little loop in around your finger, we're going to now put one side of it into the jaw. Pull back. Now would be a good time to moisten your knot, a little bit of saliva. Once that's done, turn over. As you pull away, it will drop down, as you can see. Pull nice and tight, and now is your loop. And that will do. Snips. Leave a couple of mil. It's always recommended to leave a couple of mil just in case, you never know. And there you go, perfect little loop. So I'll just show you how easy it really is to do. Once you're sitting there, you can make literally loads of these very quickly, and that's done, just like that, seconds. Now you can neaten them up. Obviously I've just done it really fast, but once you've got the hang of it, you physically can, you'll be doing this literally seconds to none.